In our last episode, we boarded the Resort World 1 cruise and went on a journey to Hong Kong. Our cruise stopped by Ho Chi Minh City and we got to spend 4 hours there. Just 4 hours in Ho Chi Minh City? No problem. Ho Chi Minh City, let's go!
We have just disembarked from our cruise and we are now at downtown Saigon. We have about 4 hours and we will explore as much as we can within these 4 hours. So join us today as we explore downtown Saigon.
See you!
Behind us is the very first landmark in Saigon that we are visiting.
It's called Saigon Notre Cathedral. This is one of the most iconic landmarks in Ho Chi Minh City. Unfortunately, it's under maintenance. One of the most interesting facts about this cathedral is that the bricks has remained as a bright red color even for more than a century. It is believed that the bricks were made with a specific material that can only be found in a specific region in France.
Our second attraction is the Saigon Post Office. It's a very busy post office.
Full of tourists. This post office has been built since the colonial time. It attracts a lot of tourists due to the unique architecture. One fun fact about this Saigon post office is that it was designed by Gustave Eiffel, who is the same architect who designed the Eiffel Tower. And you can see the building is actually full of beautiful windows and the metal frame, similar with the Eiffel Tower. Another fun fact is that it's still a functioning post office, so you can post your postcard to your family or friends from here. Another unique features about this post office is that the huge clock behind us has been functioning since its first installed, so it's over a century ago.
Behind us is the next attraction here at Saigon, is the Saigon Independence Palace. So what's so special about this palace?
It was the former home and workplace of the South Vietnamese president during the Vietnam War, and now it's popular for the tourist attraction.
As we are pressed for time, we probably won't be heading in, so if you're interested, you can visit it here at Saigon. And behind us is our fourth attraction in Saigon, the Dinh Church. It's in pink.
This is the iconic church in Ho Chi Minh because it's colored in pink. Initially, this church is in plain white color, but one of the pastors suggests to paint it into pink to make it stand up. So there comes this pink color church since 1950. Same as the Notre Dame Cathedral, the materials of this church are all imported from France.
One thing we notice when we are here at Saigon is that they have a lot of cafes. So we have chosen a cafe called Chong Cafe. We have ordered 2 of their drinks. So one is their signature coconut with coffee, and the other one is their Hanoi Sao Soda. We try this first. It's like an ice slushy, but can't really taste the coconut. Tastes more coffee than coconut. Quite sweet, quite good. On to the next one. I need to stir it thoroughly. Just has a carbonated citrusy taste. Round 2, because just now I didn't stir it well, so we have thoroughly stirred this too. So this is pretty interesting because it has a strong white coffee taste, but at certain part you can taste the coconut flavor. So it's like a mixture of white coffee and coconut. You have to try to get the coconut taste. Then sometimes you taste the white coffee, so it's a great combination. This is actually melon soda. It's like the kumquat juice. A little bit sourish, but pretty refreshing, especially for this humid weather. You have to get this here. attraction, it's the Thanh Market.
So this market operates 24 hours and 7 days per week. So it's shopping time.
As we came in here, we can see a lot of shops selling coffee, fruits, nuts, almost anything, and there's like a hawker center or a food court right inside here. A lot of things to see, and it's pretty big also, so I'm not sure if we have time to look through all the different stores. And this is our sixth attraction, the Saigon Square.
This is an indoor aircon shopping center that sells a wide variety of items.
It's very hot here at Ho Chi Minh City, so if you want an air-conditioned shopping, this is the place to go.
Both places you can practice your bargaining skill because you definitely need to bargain.
Cut the price by half first. We covered quite a lot of attractions in our short 4 hours, and this is a sample itinerary if you only have one day in Ho Chi Minh.
Thank you for watching. Do hit the like and subscribe button for more travel related videos.